Hello everyone, so today I will be showing you guys how to do a Hime Gyaru look like this. The Hime Gyaru basically means princess gown, and their makeup is actually really simple. You can wear this every day. It's not harsh, not like a gal makeup, which is pretty intense. Hime Gyaru, their makeup isn't very intense. It's very natural. Well, they try to make it very natural, but there are some intense ones. But today I'll be focusing on the natural looking ones. So first, if you don't have circle lenses, that's fine. But if you do, try to use brown, black, or like colors that are closely related to your eyes. If you're Asian, brown, like brown or black. I'm using brown right now. You can see, and yeah, and this is how it looks. So Hime Gyarus, they have very nice skin, and as you can see, I don't. Shameful. And so first you need to tone your face, and then put lotion on it, which I did. And then to get that nice foundation, like to get that nice natural skin look, you need to use primer. I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish primers, and basically you can put this under your lotion and everything, but not under makeup or anything. So just use one. I like to use a yellow concealer to hide my super dark eye circles. So, and these are the stick ones, I think. So it's really good to use your hand to warm it up and after you put on your concealer for your under eye circle, I like to use another concealer to hide other spots. So I usually hide this part again and anywhere that's red, which is like all my face, but you know. Now it's time for foundation. I like to use a combination of foundations. So the first thing I use is this, the Lancome Color Ideal Precise Match. And I use BB cream because that is very light, so I use some BB cream. And sometimes if my skin is breaking out super badly, I use the Revlon Colorstay makeup. So then apply it all over your face. Because Colorstay is pretty... Some people just stop putting foundation on their face. What I recommend is put foundation on your neck as well, so it balances out the color of your face and the rest of your body. After foundation, I like to use more concealer. I know, I'm crazy. I use Amazing Cosmetics. It's a really good concealer. I recommend